The video that you're about to watch now talks about the design and planning measurements of this cardigan. Let's get into it. If you follow the pattern that I'm going to show you of the actual square, you're going to find that you end up with a 3.5 inch, let's call it a granny square. Now, I am a UK size 6 to 8. Yeah, around about a 6. Oh, I've written 18 there, 8. So, I need to ensure that the cardigan fits my waist. Most importantly, my back is a little bit wider than my waist. So, my cardigan needs to have, well, I'm going to have 4 flower, aka squares, going down because this is a crop cardigan. I need to have 2 panels going down like that. So this is for the front, okay? Now for the back, I'm gonna do 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I'm not gonna do 25, sorry. I am dyslexic, so excuse my mental maths on this video. So I'm going to do 5 across, I'm going to do 4 going down. Now, what you really need to bear in mind is, because you need to accommodate for your neck space, you need to have an even number at the front. So your 2 panels need to be even numbers. You must have an odd number at the back, because this is going to accommodate for the back of your neck. Okay? Example, if you're a UK, let's say size 10 to, I don't know, 12, you might want to go ahead and add another panel here at the front, like that. But you're not going to be able to accommodate a neck space with the same back panel here. So you're going to have to add 2 panels here at the back. I do have a video that I uploaded about 4 months ago, and the name of the video is how to measure and plan for your granny square cardigan. That speaks in a lot more detail about sizing measurements, because we're all unique body shapes and sizes. So have a think about how much of your body a 3.5 inch square or motif covers. If you need any help with measuring anything like that, drop in the comments box below and I'll be more than happy to assist you. So we're gonna just ignore that. I need to add, of course, arms onto this. Now you see with arms, I would strongly recommend make your 2 front panels first, because you see this panel here, this last panel here, the second panel, this isn't going to fit on your shoulder like that. Your shoulder's going to go like that. There's going to be a drop. So a lot of this square is going to actually cover your shoulder. So please don't look at the square and think, oh, my arm is X amount of inches long. This is the measurement that I need my arm to be. You must factor in that this square is going to overlap a little bit around your body and a little bit around your waist. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about what I mean by that. So what I meant by that is, look, this is my mannequin. You can see the first row, but the second row is actually sitting here, look. It's going to be on my actual shoulder. And the second row, if I lift up the arm and show you, can you see it wraps around my waist? That's what I mean. So you need to ensure that you've got 2 even front panels and then odd back panels. We've got the design and the plan ready. So let's now think a little bit about the arms. You need to make sure that your arm measurement wraps around your entire arm. So I've got really, really skinny wrists, but my actual arm is kind of chunky. So a 3.5 inch times 3.5 inch isn't going to be enough. I need to do 3 panels around my arm. So I'm going to do 3 panels and simply join them together. You can do 4 panels if you need to. The arm doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to attach that regardless. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about that when I start to seam the cardigans together in the video. But again, if you feel overwhelmed by this at all, you don't know what to do with sizing, etc., can you please drop in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help you.